Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna prepare and show you how to make this mouth-watering and delicious dish. Keema is made using minced meat, whereas this recipe needs boiled eggs and no meat is used. Egg keema pairs well with naan, paratha or plain rice. So wanna know how to make this dish? So let's get started. Take some water for boiling eggs. Take eggs 7 in number. Add them. Add 1 tablespoon of salt so that the eggs do not break while boiling and can be easily peeled out. Now take a grater and start grating the eggs one by one. Try to grate the eggs finely in this way. Similarly, grate all of them. So all the eggs must be finely grated in this way. Keep it aside. Heat a pan. Oil around 4 tablespoons. Add oil. Keep it on a low flame. Butter around 1 tablespoon. Add butter. Saute on a low flame. Finely chopped onions, 2 in number. Add onions. Saute till onions are soft and pink. Salt as required. Red chili powder 2 tablespoons. Turmeric powder half tablespoon. Add salt. Add turmeric powder. Saute. Cook it on a low flame for 5 minutes. When the onions become soft, add ginger garlic paste around 2 tablespoons. Mix them well. Subscribe to my channel and click on the bell icon. When the raw smell of ginger garlic paste goes off, add 2 finely chopped tomatoes. Mix well. Put on a lid and cook it until the tomatoes become soft. Now remove the lid after 5 minutes. Smash the tomatoes by gently pressing them into a smooth paste in this way. Add red chili powder, pepper powder half tablespoon. Add pepper powder, garam masala powder 1 tablespoon. Add garam masala powder. Saute. Cook it on a low flame till the oil separates. Oil is separated, so add 1 cup of water. Give it a good mix. Cook it on a medium flame for 5 minutes until the gravy slightly thickens. Now add the grated boiled eggs. Mix it well with the gravy. Cook it on a low flame for 5 minutes. Stir it occasionally so that it doesn't get burnt from bottom. Add some finely chopped coriander leaves. Follow me on Instagram @food.festo and mix all the ingredients well. So our mouth-watering egg keema curry is ready. Serve it hot with roti or chapati or naan, or you can serve it even with rice. If you like this recipe, please do try it and share your views in the comment section below. And don't forget to like, share and subscribe. And do follow me on Instagram. So guys, do definitely try this recipe and share your views in comment section.